Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a Etabs tutorial series about that how we'll draw, design and analysis a 10-story building, and in this video I am going to discuss another part of this tutorial, and this is the lecture 3. So let's start. First of all, I'll open our previous model, and that is our previous Etabs model. And in my previous video I have forgot something, that we have to change property modifier for slab and wall section. So for slab, go here property, and from here modifier, and here we'll change for bending, not for membrane. So for bending, the value will be 0. For slab 0.25, also here 0.25, and also here 0.25. okay. Again go for section properties, wall section, modifier, here modifier, and from here we have to change the value for bending, and it's for wall there have two values. If I open that, here stiffness modifier, if you see here, this for ultimate condition, here this for ultimate condition, here on, and another for service condition. So we'll consider for ultimate condition. So we are seeing that for beam it's 0.35, previously have applied it. For column 0.7, also have applied it. And for wall pier 0.35, and for floor they have two value for wall crack and uncrack. We'll consider that our value, our wall is cracked wall. So for cracked wall we'll consider provide value 0.35 for ultimate condition. And for slab beam, okay, so we'll go here for wall 0.35, 0.35, 0.35. okay, it's done. Okay, and okay. Our property modifier, our defined property, defined mattress property, everything are okay. And here if you have any problem about that, you can watch my previous Etabs tutorial series. There I have almost everything I have discussed there. So now we'll draw our building. So to draw our building, first of all I'll go Storey 2. So from here is our, here we'll found our slab, sorry, here we'll found our here our shear all, our lift portion, and also a stair. We'll draw two landing stair here. So first of all I'll go here, and first of all I'll draw beam. So click here, draw beam, and from here I'll select beam. When I'll select only beam, in previous video I have shown you that we have considered auto selection, then the building will select the suitable shape of frame for it. So here select on story and just click here. like that way, and again we'll go down floor, and from here we'll select grade beam, here GB, and we'll select that. Okay, now again we'll go upper floor, and here we'll draw our slab. So for quick draw slab, you can click here, and from here we have to select our 5-inch slab, here, and that portion here we'll draw our stair and shear all. So for that, before that we have to draw our column. So click here to draw quick column, and from here we'll select column option, column, so that it can also select a suitable shape for that. So after that we have to click here for all Storey, and here we have to give that value according to our plan. So from here we are seeing that as I have no definite plan, I mean exact plan with me, so when you do with the exact plan, then you will use here angle. So first of all I'm use that 90 degree, it's 90 degree, it's also 90 degree, and here I'll use 90 degree and 90 degree. Then again I will go for 0 degree, here I will use 0 degree, 0 degree, here I'll use 0, 0, and also I'll use here 0 degree, and again I will go 90 degree, here, here, and I'll use here 90 degree, 90 degree, and also I'll give here 0 degree line. So click here 0 and click here. So escape button to, sorry I have done a mistake here. Again go here, column, we'll draw our 90 degree, sorry 0 degree. Okay, it's done. Sorry, we have done a mistake in our plan. It's 13.833, but I have drawn 18.833. So I'll go back, and I will edit that, edit a Storey, edit grid system, modify grid system, spacing in y direction it's 13.833. okay, refresh window. After drawing our structure, now we have to draw our shear all. So to draw shear all, we'll draw shear all here according to our that layout. So to draw shear all, first of all we have to draw a reference point here and also reference point here. So from that point, we're seeing that it's 3.5 in x direction and 4 in y direction. So we'll go here, draw joint point. By using joint point, we draw none line. In x direction, our distance is 3.5 feet, means 42 inch. So from here we'll draw 42 inch. Here we have found our 42 inch. Sorry, before that we have to make it 1 story. And 42 inch, we have found our two reference line, and now we'll draw our 4 feet in y direction. I mean 48 inch. So from here it's 48 and minus 48 for that point. So if you have any confusion about the reference point, you can watch my previous tutorial series. There I have discussed in details about that. But from here I'll draw that 5 feet and also that 5 feet and also that 1 feet. It's 0 and it's 5 feet, so 5 into 12, 60. From here that point and also that point, and from here I'll draw 1 feet in x direction, 12, sorry, in y direction it's 12. So from here it's 12 and minus 12, for that point. So it's okay to draw our reference point. Now we'll go here and we'll draw our frame, and property we have to select none, none. After that we'll draw here, okay, escape again, frame none, here and here. Okay, we have to draw our that line. So now we'll draw our shear all. So to draw shear all, we have to go here, draw wall plan, or you can use quick wall. So I'll use that or that, anything you can use here, because our the distance are fixed. So if you use that quick, then when you click on it, it will draw shear all here. But when you click here, you have to select area type and wall 8 inch, and from here you have to click and then you have to click here to add. So I will use quick draw wall plan, and I have to select here wall story, and that is the important thing, auto pier and spiral. You have to select ID number, or you have to press here yes, otherwise it will not consider it as a shear all. So I'll click here and it's drawing our shear all. Also click here, also click here, and click here. So our shear all is okay. To draw our shear all is done. That's so you can draw our shear all anywhere as per as a requirement. So click here, okay. Now we have to draw beam here. So first of all we'll go here in our grade beam level, and after that we'll draw beam. Click here, we'll select grade beam, and from here grade beam, from that point to that point, sorry, we have to first of all we have to make that 1 story, and then go here grade beam, a straight line. So from that point to that point, escape, and again go here from that point to that point. It should be 90 degree, and click here, okay, escape, again go here from that point to that point. It also should be 90°. Be careful about that. And when it will be otherwise you can use here snap option, and from here perpendicular projection, click OK and apply, close. Then you will find here is the perpendicular, so click here, done, escape, again go second floor, again draw here. Here we have to draw beam. From that point to here it's perpendicular, close that, and again draw its frame beam. Okay, so from that point to that point, and again go here beam, and from that point to that point. So you are seeing that our shear all are ready, and after that I will delete that reference line, delete that reference line, delete that reference line, that also, and that also. So we have delete a reference line, and if you want that you can also delete that point. Okay, no need to delete that. So it's done to draw our shear all with defined beam. And now we'll go down here and we'll assign our support system. So assign joint restraint fixed support, apply. Okay, so it's done. You are seeing that everything is done. You can also see it in 3D mode. So here is a 3D mode and everything is done. Again go here top, so it's okay with our plan. And next video I'll draw here a two landing stair. So till then, still stay connected. Thank you very much.